Unlike traditional radar missiles that broadcast their position by sending out pulses, basically shouting, "Here I am," the LRASM stays silent. It listens. Its passive sensors pick up the emissions the target is already producing: radar, radio, navigation, like hunting someone through a dark house by the sound of their breathing. So when the Bulgari drifts 200 meters from its plotted position, the LRASM doesn't care. 200 meters of movement against a 755-foot hull is geometry the weapon was built to solve before breakfast.